In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retract a bid or cancel an offer on eBay in just a few simple steps. Whether you made a mistake or changed your mind about bidding on an item or making an offer, eBay provides a straightforward process to help you resolve it. Let's go through these steps together to ensure you know exactly how to manage your bids and offers on eBay. To begin, you'll need to log into your eBay account. This is your first step to accessing all the features and tools you might need. If you haven't already created an account, you'll want to sign up by providing your details, but most of you will likely have one. Remember, having your login information at hand can make this process all the more efficient. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a navigation menu at the top of the page. Look for the section labeled with either bid/offers or purchase history. This is where eBay stores all your recent activities, including any bids you've placed or offers you've made. Clicking on this section will allow you to see a detailed list of your interactions and provide the access points you need for the following steps. This step is crucial because it gives you visibility over your actions on the platform. Now that you're in your activity section, it's time to locate the specific bid or offer you want to retract or cancel, whether it's an item you no longer wish to pursue or a bid placed by mistake. Browsing through your list should help you identify the right entry. It might be useful to note the item's title or the date when you placed the bid or offer to ensure accuracy. With the bid or offer pinpointed, direct your attention to the options available beside it. Here, you should see a button labeled Retract Bid or Withdraw Offer. Clicking this button is the key action that will begin the retraction process. It's important to remember that there are eBay policies regarding the timing and conditions under which you can retract bids or offers, so make sure to familiarize yourself with these if you encounter any difficulties. Taking this step completes the process, allowing you to adjust your commitments on eBay seamlessly. And there you have it. By following this simple guide, you've learned how to retract bids or cancel offers on eBay, empowering you to maintain control over your transactions easily. Remember, practice makes perfect, and navigating your eBay activities can become second nature with a little bit of familiarity. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping or selling on eBay. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful eBay guides.